smoke from the cooking fire. Goats are calling by the dusty trail. Grandma's voice like an old drum skin, telling how the mountains breathe. Moonrise over Kilimanjaro, stories walking through the dark. We all gather close together, one big heart around the spark. Moonrise over Kilimanjaro, every shadow starts to sing. Hold this tale inside your hands now, pass it on like wedding rings.
Children chase the red-topped birds, feet beat time in the sandy yard. Uncle laughs, that's the first old song.